Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this Puskill 4GB DDR4 3200U and the timing is CL22, so it's not the usual CL18 or 19 or even CL16, but we'll have a look here, and I have two of them here. And the reason I bought them is because I'm just building a home theater media PC, which is an ITX computer, and I don't need 16GB, but I need dual channel because I'm using the Ryzen 3300G. I'm sorry, 3200G, and that's why I just need two sticks of 4GB, but I need fast ranges to optimize the performance, and I was really struggling to find a 4GB 3200 MSZ RAM stick here, and I finally found one, which is this brand here, which I've never heard of, Puskill. One stick at 80 ringgit, that's about $20 USD, and I got two of them here. And yeah, let's go and unbox this. And this comes with 3 years warranty, not the lifetime unlimited warranty. And then the plastic feels flimsy, very thin, but let's have a look inside. Very sticky actually. And I completely spoiled it. Completely underestimated this sticker. It's not the usual one that you can tear off. Alright, finally. So yeah, even the packaging feels cheap, but that's given the price. And then is it just me or the PCB looks thin? But I'll digress. And yeah, let's just see, there's a few chips on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, one-sided only, completely clean on the other side. DDR4. Once again, 4GB, 3200 MSZ, 1.2 volt, 3 years warranty, 80 ringgit, 20 USD dollar. Yeah, that's about it guys. And I'll put it inside my Ryzen 3200G setup and see if it's really running at the rated speed, and then let's see how the low timing CL22 affects the performance. Yeah, this is a quick video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find it useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.